Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you are trying to launch the game, you got the error. Vanguard has blocked the following file from loading on your system, and the file name is INPOUTX64.SYS. Let's fix it guys. You must have installed the software with the name fan control as I am showing over here. In order to fix the issue, you just need to open this fan control software. This error is caused by this software guys. You just need to click on this setup icon over here, click on it and select assisted setup and select yes. Now in here you need to uncheck this option guys. INPOUT. This is the file that is giving you the error. You just need to uncheck this option and then click on OK to save changes. You just need to select OK. Select OK to save changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Select save to save the configuration. Just to go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, system 32-bit folder, system 32, double click on it. In here you need to search for the file you are getting the error guys. You just need to search for it, INPOUT X 64.SYS. Once you find the file with this name, you need to delete it guys. In my case, I not have installed the software, that's why the file is not here. Once you find the file, you just need to delete it, and after deleting it, your problem should be fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.